Hello my students, good morning and welcome back. Today I'm gonna talk about Unit 11 Lesson 2. This unit is also about past simple, okay? Let me read for you. Day 1 in the morning, yes. Firstly, open your book, page 60, yes. Day 1 in the morning, let's start working. Okay? 5 hours later, we did a lot of work today. We have did in the sentence. It means that this sentence it is past simple because we have did, okay? If we make this sentence to present, how we make it? Yes, you can say we do a lot of work today. We do. If we make this sentence to negative, it will be we didn't do a lot of work today. Okay, we put didn't between subject and between verb, and after didn't the verb should be verb based because we can't put or we can't we don't have two past verbs together in one sentence. Okay. Oh no, I didn't buy a notebook for school. We have didn't in this sentence. It means that this sentence is a negative sentence because we have didn't between subject and between verb. And also we have verb base. After didn't should be have verb base, okay? I didn't buy a notebook for school. Okay? We didn't finish, but we made a difference. Okay, also we have didn't between subject and between verb, and after didn't we should have verb base. Okay, it means that this sentence is negative sentence. If we make it to positive, it will be we finished by adding ed to the verb. Okay, but we made a difference. Also we have made her. It means that this sentence is past simple. Don't worry, I bought your notebook. Also we have bought. It means that the sentence is past simple. If we make it to present, it will be I buy your notebook. I buy. It will be bought to the past. Okay, and we have some pictures. You can say what you do yesterday or what you did yesterday. Okay, you can say I didn't draw, or you can say I didn't write an email, or I phoned my friend. Okay, I didn't phone a friend. It means that the sentence is negative sentence because we have didn't between subject and between verb. Okay, and the verb should be verb base. I wrote an email. It means that the sentence is a positive sentence. Okay, you can write anything in your notebook or in the paper what you did yesterday. Write about yourself, what you do yesterday. Okay, you can say I didn't listen to music, or I didn't watch television, or I didn't go to the shopping mall. Okay, I didn't phone my friend. Okay, and also in lesson 3 we have some sounds, words with ge and ke. There are green grapes in the garden. Let's eat Kurdish kebabs in Kurdistan. Give a glass of milk to the king's kitchen. We have ge has different sounds, and we have orange. Sometimes ge have different sounds, j and ge. Okay, be attention. Read what the television reporters say. How many children are walking at Burton Wood today? Okay, let me read for you and be careful. Listen to me. 2 weeks ago, these 4 children were to Burton Wood. They were very sad because it was dirty and full of rubbish. They started a project at their school. The name of the project is Let's Make Burton Wood Beautiful. Now they go to Burton Wood Their friends at school help them. 2 children are cleaning the recycling bins. 2 children are painting the fence and 4 children are painting the picnic tables. 3 children are making notes. Burton Wood is looking beautiful again. Okay, let me ask you some questions. Read this paragraph carefully and answer yes or no. Okay, number 1, there are 14 children at Burton Wood. Burton Wood. Okay, yes or no? Of course no, because we have 4 children are in Burton Wood. Number 2, 4 children are painting. 4 children are painting. Yes or no? Yes, of course yes, because in this picture we have 4 children. Number 3, yeah, all the children are from the same school. Yes or no? Of course yes. The children work at Burton Wood every day. Yes or no? Of course no. Every weekend. They work at Burton Wood every weekend. The children started to clean Burton Wood 4 weeks ago. Yes or no? Of course no. For 2 weeks ago. They started to clean Burton Wood for 2 weeks ago. Okay? And this one, let's talk about shopping. You have some pictures here like a t-shirt or shirt, dress or scarf, or a skirt. You have scarf, shoes, jacket and trainers. Okay, say the prices. We have prices. For example, this one, 5,000 Iraqi dinars. This means Iraqi dinars. Okay, 10,000 Iraqi dinars, 6,000 Iraqi dinars. Okay, listen and read. Buy clothes in the clothes shop. Can I help you? Can I see that shirt? Yes, of course. Here you are. How much is it? It's 10,000 dinars. That's good. Here you are. Okay. Okay, now go to Unit 12, Lesson 1. Also, it's about past simple. And now we have what is some names. We have wood, we have paper. For paper, you can say recycle the paper. Okay, for paper, we have recycle the paper. And for glass, or you can say pick up the glass. For glass, you can say pick up the glass. Okay, and we have clothing and we have rubbish. Okay, this one for what? For plastic, you can say put the rubbish in the bag. Put the rubbish in the bag, or you can say put the rubbish in the box. Okay, and we have metal. Okay, we have metal. And now we have some words, some kind of things. Okay, we have this picture. We have computer. It means that computer. We have what you can say. We can say metal, we can say glass, and you can say plastic. For chair, you can say wood, and you can say what? You can say wood, and you can say plastic. For paper, you can say paper, just paper. For car, you can say plastic, and you can say metal, and you can say glass also. For light bulb, you can say glass, and you can say metal. For a ruler, you can say also metal, and you can say plastic. Okay. Okay. Unit 12, Lesson 1. Listen, match the materials with the boxes. We have some boxes, and we have some we have glass, we have plastic, we have paper, we have wood, and we have some boxes different colors. Okay, and you can put any